Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all a quick update on Litecoin. We just closed, so that's why I want to bring this to you. We're at $93.96 right now. Guys, there's some very quick things I just want to show you, then we're going to get off here. Right now I'm on dad duty, my wife's at work, and guys, I have a 10-month-old, so if you hear him in the background, he's in here with me. I apologize, it is what it is. I just wanted to get it out to you guys. So we're zoomed in on the 4 hours, and like we've talked about, guys, we're looking at this yellow trend line right here that we've been having higher lows off of. So what happened was we got a beautiful bounce, a bullish engulfing candle up there, and guys, we made it all the way up to, on this move here, to around 97.25, and right now we're starting to get a little bit of a sell-off right up here, guys. It looked like we pushed up, kind of one of those shooting star candles. We pushed up, and now we're starting to see some follow-through rejection there on the 4 hour. So we do just want to pay attention to that, guys. What we'd look for is to see if we came down here and set a higher low around that 20 EMA, which would be at around $91, then around the 50 moving average at $91. I'd look at that for support to the downside, then ultimately this yellow line to see if we would get a bounce off that for a continued higher high, guys. Like I said, we're first now trying to challenge this area, which we wicked up to around that 95.88, you can see right here. And then what we want to get up to is around this 100, and then it would be around 104, and I'm going off all the real bodies here, guys. But you're starting to see we did have a bullish MACD cross, but now we're starting to tick to the negative side, starting to curl over a little bit there, and that's probably taking into account this move right here, guys. So we do want to pay very close attention to that. And yes, we have been in this uptrend, these higher highs and higher lows. So here's your higher lows, higher highs. But I do want you to pay attention, guys. If we don't get a bounce off here, I want you to pay close attention to a potential head and shoulders pattern here on the 4 hour. Now, this isn't on the 1 day, but on the 4 hour, here's a left shoulder, here's a head, here's a potential right shoulder. And what we would see, guys, if this is going to be a head and shoulders pattern, right there we would see that this neckline, so this green line would be broken, that and most likely we'd fall down probably around to that 77, or this white trend line down here that we try to find support off. But we're not there anywhere near that yet, guys. We got to start seeing what happens with this close and how these moving averages are going to be respected on the 4 hour chart. Now what I want to do is go out to the 1 hour chart with you quick, or I'm sorry, the 1 day chart with you quick. And what you can see here, and it's important that we look at this, guys. So with our MACD, it looked like we were going to cross, and we got another hump up, and now it's looking again like it wants to move to the downside. Histogram ticking to the negative. And what I want to show you, though, this is our area of overhead resistance that we need to get over top, and we're going off those real bodies yet again. I really like to go off real bodies, guys. Right there you can see where we had rejection. Let me turn that red. So the wicks are pretty similar. We wicked up here, we wicked up there. We could not get past that. Now, if we do get over top of this area here, guys, then the target's going to be around that 102 off the real bodies. But you can see kind of how we topped a little bit here. But this was a beautiful bullish engulfing candle. So even if tomorrow we have a little bit of a sell-off here, we could still make that higher high. We're just going to pay close attention to this trend line, guys, on the 1 day chart. Right now we are, let's see. Let me pull this back here for us and get some of these horizontal lines off. I apologize, guys. So right now, what we want to look at here is we're up above the 20 EMA, so we'd look for support, and that would be around $85, and that's where we got this bullish engulfing candle, guys, if we were to give back the gains that we just had made. And then I would look down to this 50 moving average, then right around here at $77, guys. And that's just my downside targets. And like I said, my upside target would be first getting over that 95.95, closing above it, and then around that 104.44. So guys, I just want to put this stuff on your radar here. Like I said, there's a lot of things going on. We're having higher highs, we're having higher lows on the 4 hour. We're having a potential head and shoulders pattern that could lead us to the downside a little bit more. So we're having a lot of mixed signals. We're having bullish signals, having some bearish signals. But right now, the intermediate term bullish uptrend is what we have been in. We have been in a 3 to 6 month bullish uptrend, so I'm very happy about that, guys. My son's getting after me, so I'm going to go spend some time with him. I just want to jump on here for the close. We had a beautiful close for a candle here, guys. Right up there, it's like a strong bullish belt hold line candle or a shaven bottom Marabazoo. We don't have much wick down there, and that's basically what you'd have, guys. A shaven bottom Marabazoo is no wick down here, then a very strong candle and a higher close up here. A full Marabazoo would also be a close up here with no wicks on top. top. So just wanted to bring you a quick one here, guys. I appreciate you. Let's keep our eyes on this. We're at 93.49 right now. I do have a break-even stop loss in at my $85 or $86, guys, where I got this last position at. I just want to be safe. I want to protect all my capital in case something crazy happens overnight, but I do still anticipate some further upside if we can continue to keep this thing going. But we're going to see. If you guys like what we do here, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate being here with you today. God bless each and every one of you.